Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Students, what we studied in the last class? Do you remember that? Yes, we studied about states of matter. First one, what is called matter? Students, do you answer? What is the answer? What is called matter? Who knows this answer? Yes, please answer it. The object or materials which occupies space is called matter. All students say loudly. The object or material which occupies space is called matter. Second one, what are the different states of matter? What are the different states of matter? They are solid, liquid, gases and plasma. Third one, how does a stone differ from a glass of water in its properties? How does a stone differ from a glass of water in its properties? Who knows this answer? Do you know answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, stone has fixed shape and does not take the shape of the container. All students listen to me very carefully. Stone has fixed shape and does not take the shape of the container. A stone does not flow. But a stone does not flow. But a glass of water can flow. Glass of water can flow. It takes the shape of its container. Water takes the shape of its container. It has no fixed shape. Water has no fixed shape. Children, now I say about one object, many states. One object, many states. Do this activity. Take a cube of ice in a steel plate. Keep it on the plate for some time. Keep it ice tube on the plate for some time. Observe after 2 or 3 minutes. Observe after 2 or 3 minutes. What can you see in there? What can you see in there? Do you know what is that? Yes, this is the water vapor. Oh students, you can observe water vapor. Water vapor is in gaseous stage. Gaseous means വാതകത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു സ്റ്റേജാണ്. Then ice is solid. Water is liquid and water vapor is gas. Ice is solid. Water is liquid and water vapor is gas. What are the three forms of water? Students, do you answer? What are the three forms of water? Yes, ice, water and water vapor. The fourth state of matter is called plasma. The fourth state of matter is called plasma. What are the other states of matter? Students, do you answer? What is the answer? What are the three states of matter? They are solid, liquid and gases. But the fourth state of matter is called plasma. The fourth state of matter is called plasma. What is called plasma? Students, all students say loudly. Yes, the fourth state of matter is called plasma. What is the fourth state of matter? Students, do you answer? What is the fourth state of matter? Yes, plasma is the fourth state of matter. Plasma is one of the common states of matter. Plasma is one of the common states of matter. The fourth state of matter is called plasma. Then the plasma is a hot ionized gas consisting of positively charged ions and negatively charged electrons. The properties of plasma are different from ordinary gases. So it is considered a fourth state of matter. For example, neon sign and lightning, fire, etc. Fire flames many contain plasma. The lightning is an electrical discharge consisting of moving electrons and ions and hints of plasma. Children, next I say about let's blow up a balloon. Take a balloon, blow air into it. What happens? The balloon becomes inflated. The air is a mixture of many gases. The air is a mixture of many gases. Students, do you know what are they? First I say the air is mixture of many gases. What are they? They are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Once again I say nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor, etc. Then gas has no definite shape. What students do you know that one? Yes, yeah, first of all we discussed that one. Already we discussed that one. Gas has no definite shape or fixed shape. It appears in the shape of the vessel it contains. Gas appears in the shape of the vessel it contains. How do they differ? How do they differ? Take a piece of wood. Observe it carefully. Questions, can you see the picture of piece of wood? Yes, all students observe it carefully. Now put it on a plate. Means now that piece of wood keep on a plate. Does it change its shape? Does it change its shape? No, the piece of wood not or doesn't change its shape. But take a glass of water. All students observe the shape of water. Pour the water into a flat plate or keep the water into a plate. Now observe the shape of water. Can you see? All students observe the shape of water. What do you understand from this experiment? What is your conclusion? Yes, solids do not change their shape, but liquids and gases take the shape of their containers. Once again I say, solids do not change their shape. Liquids and gases take the shape of their containers. Students, next we discuss about how do fumes appear. Fumes means smoke, puga. Students, do you know how do fumes appear? How do fumes appear? When solid liquid burns. Burn means katta. When solid liquid burns, carbon dioxide as well as other oxides of the constituents are formed. The oxides together with the vapors from fumes or the many other constituents get converted into vapor form including moisture content. The oxides together with the vapors form fumes. Light and agarbatti. Do you know Malayalam meaning what is the agarbatti? Agarbatti means chandanathiri. Keep it in a corner of the room. Do you feel it smell all over the room? Or can you get the smell of a lighted agarbatti in other parts of the room? Yes, we can get the smell in other parts of the room. In an agarbatti, the perfumes exist in solid form. While burning, the solid perfumes vaporized and spread. Try to collect the fumes of the lighted agarbatti in a glass jar. Observe the shape of fumes now. What do you understand this experiment? What do you understand from this experiment? Yes, when the fumes of the lighted agarbatti are collected in a glass jar, the fumes take the shape of the glass jar. What students, can you understand? Can you see this experiment or can you observe this picture? Or what can you observe it? Or what do you understand from this experiment? Once again I say, when the fumes of the lighted agarbatti are collected in a glass jar, The fumes take the shape of the glass jar. Solids have definite shape or fixed shape, but liquids and gases take the shape of the container. Liquid can be poured from one container to other. Matter occupies space. Matter has different states, namely solids, liquids, and gases. Thus define their properties from one another. Liquids can flow. Water exists as solids, liquids, and gases, ice, water, and water vapor. Here are one question. What are the important features of the different states of matter? Or write the important features of different states of matter. Answer is solids have definite shape. Liquids and gases take the shape of the container. Liquid can be poured from one container to another. Matter occupies space. Matter has different states. Matter has different states, namely solid, liquid, and gases. Once again I say, all students listen to me very carefully. Solids have definite shape, but liquids and gases take the shape of the container. Liquid can be poured from one container to another. Matter occupies space. Matter has different states, namely solids, liquid, and gases. All students can understand what are the important features of the different states of matter. Children, now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, what is called plasma? What is called plasma? Second one, what are the three forms of water? What are the three forms of water? Third one, classify the following properly. State the basis of your classification. Classify the following properly. State the basis of your classification. They are a piece of chalk, piece of wood, iron, pen, air, water, coconut oil, petrol, soap, water vapor, and milk, honey. Last one, write the important features of different states of matter. Write the important features of different states of matter. Children, now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp or call. Thank you.